Okay. Action.
I would have dug up my high school blazer if I'd known.
I didn't invite her.
Does her have a name?
Rachel.
Rachel.
Yes, please.
Was that a yes or a yes?
Yes. Grounded. It's none of your business, Rachel. Why would you lie to me? To hang out with him.
Give us a D minor, Megan. Painful, isn't it?
Shithead.
Oi, watch your language, fuckface. Personally, I don't eat very much. I'd much rather fritter away my funds sensibly, or should I say the funds of my government benefactors. How about you, Rachel? What? Don't young girls these days love to worry about their weight?
Don't know.
Apparently, you can burn more calories standing up than sitting down. Well, I've always been partial to a cosy couch myself. Stay standing, though, by all means. I've heard all about you, Rachel. I'm sure you must have heard about me. Rightly so, there's nothing to know. What was that? What the hell did you say, little girl? But say it to my face then, come on! You think you know me?
She doesn't mean it, do you, Rach? Sorry.
Oh, you know where the door is. Sit down, for Christ's sake. We haven't toasted the birthday girl yet, have we? We're supposed to be celebrating. Lighten up, ladies. We're supposed to be celebrating, aren't we? To Megan. A big 1-6. Cheers. She's no Muscovite, is she?
Lovely, guys. I'm going to pause that there. Great.